Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. Now there's none more moronic than this idiot in the blue car who just drives straight into the traffic bollard, displaying the directional ability of a hang glider pilot in a hurricane. Seriously, how'd you do that? Okay, now as you can see, this car's approaching the back of the traffic queue, but that means nothing to the driver of the Golf. The driver who's got the intelligence of a pile of used tissues that you'd find under any teenage boy's bed just uses the pavement as Grandma Josephine would use it on a mobility scooter. What a melt. Got this clip from Barry V, and as you can see, the barriers for the level crossing are coming down, but that means nothing for these pair of real yolkless eggs as they just keep on going, and now they're stuck at the second barrier there. They've seen the lights flashing, they heard the bells ringing, and they got confused because their last job was ringing the bells in Notre Dame. And now he's trying to reposition the barrier, in which he's not doing a very good job of it. And if you notice, he's wearing high vis, exactly what you want to be wearing when you're committing criminal damage in broad daylight. And there goes the barrier, hasta la vista, baby. And there they go, gone like a robber's dog. And here comes the robber's dog, and he's definitely gone. Got this clip from Raymond. Keep your eye on the silver BMW in the right hand lane. Does a classic BMW driver manoeuvre of just cutting straight across. He's so dumb, if ever he gets skint, he'll sell his car to get petrol money. Now, someone who never has to worry about petrol is this next liberty-taking idiot in this clip from Andrew J. He never has to worry about sitting in traffic queues either. Why do you sit in traffic queues when you're in a Tesla? It's the same as BMW driver. It just don't happen. You just go up the outside and then just cut across. There he goes. Snivelling piece of... Yeah, Tesla. I'll tell you what it stands for. Remember this one. Taking every single liberty available. Got this clip from Alex B, and as you can see, there's a bit of frost on the ground in this parking space. You always want to take it easy. What you do unless you've got the brain the size of a boil on a pig's arse. Now that car's proper cattle truck. Don't be hard on the driver though, he's got a soft heart. He's also got the soft head to match driving like that when there's ice on the ground. What a donut. Got this clip from David Kane. He's following this black car as a driver who's got the intelligence of a washing line peg goes straight through the red light and nearly gets done in the door by the white car there. That driver never lets his mind wander because it's far too small to be let out alone. Got this clip from Big Olives, and he's just been overtaken by some idiot who's got the same amount of electrical activity in his brain as a stiff lion in the morgue. Then the police go flying past on the wrong side of the carriageway. They're going faster than Auntie Ethel goes up to the co-op when she is they got buy one get one free on tenner ladies incontinence pants. He ain't going so fast now, that's for sure.
Yeah, boy.
Got this clip from Janice W, and we got this truck trying to do the left out of it. The only problem is there's a bollard in the way, but the truck goes full Chuck Norris mode onto the bollard, and the bollard has had to yield. The bollard's fully yielded, and that truck has left that bollard more smashed than Peter Schofield's Office Junior. Got this clip from Brian B. Now keep your eye to the left where the red arrow is. You're going to see a fast moving car. Well, he's not moving fast now. We need a steward's inquiry. Okay, so at this point, the idiot's going faster than what Katie Price's priest runs out to church when he knows she's coming for confession, and he just plants it straight into Bob's new garden storage box, where he keeps his Flymo and other assorted gardening tools. And as can be seen, thick brown gas is being expelled from the confines of the driver's underpants. Oh my giddy aunt. Got this clip from Edison. You find him on that Edis 1975 on X, and what you got here is a guy in a Mercedes. He was obviously cycling, now he's driving again, but his mind hasn't transitioned over to back to driving again, so he's tried to drive down the cycle lane, and this cyclist ain't having none of it. I'm not saying he ain't got much upstairs, but last time he went to see a mind reader, he got a refund. Here's another one who's definitely never going to need a mind reader, because a mind reader would have more to read on a raffle ticket than reading this idiot's mind. Look at him, a proper bellend stuck on a bell. You can't make this up. Any midwives out there, please, when you deliver newborn babies, please make sure they have enough oxygen, because this is the end result years down the line. If brains were hand soap, this idiot wouldn't have enough to wash a mouse's testicle. Good God. Now stand on the theme of the mouse's testicle. That happens to be the exact same size of this idiot's brain. He's going down through Hyde Park, driving in the segregated cycle lane. But give him a break. This poor guy still can't work out. Every day he used to go to school, his parents used to write a different address in the back of his blazer. Got this clip from Zimmer. Now keep your eye on the bus coming from right to the left, just going down Waterloo Road. Has a head on with a car. We need a steward's inquiry. Okay, so here comes a bus from St George's Circus heading into Waterloo Road. This stretch of road is two-way. Here comes a car. Now, if you look where I've frozen it, you can see he's coming over the central island there, and he's now got the yellow and white bollard in front of his car. At this point, he's in front of the car, approaching an oncoming bus. Not where you want to be, and it's night. Sleep tight for that car. Now they do tell you when you're driving, put your phone away, out of sight, out of mind, don't be distracted. Well, that's exactly what this guy's done. He's put it out of sight, out of mind, and when he gets to the other end, he's going to be out of pocket. Got this clip from Aidan, and this truck's approaching the roundabout, but that means nothing for the slow brain fast car moron who just pulls out of the truck slipstream and overtakes on the roundabout. Definitely a few sheep short of a woolly jumper, that idiot. Anyway, speaking about sheep and woolly jumpers, got this clip from Roy, one of my viewers from down under. Now looking at these sheep wandering all loose, it reminds me of all the idiots in this video, because they've all definitely got a few sheep loose from their top paddocks, haven't they? Right, let's have a look at some two brain cell morons. Can I ask you all one very quick favour, please? Just hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help. Thanks a lot, guys. Got this clip from Rob C. Now look, we all make mistakes, we know that. But the person who's made the biggest mistake, the mistake of gargantuan proportions, was this idiot's dad for not buying condoms that night he was conceived as he hits the car and just goes down. Got this clip from Seth, and he's sitting at this red light just waiting for it to turn green. That's it, it's green so he can go, but he can't go because there's an idiot on the line by it. Last time I see something with that level of intelligence, I was watching a wildlife documentary on the Discovery Channel. Got this clip from Oz, and he's just going down the road here, but then the human equivalent of the pantomime horse rear end just goes straight in front of him. Now, just like Lidl's, I like to give good value on this channel, and this clip is no exception. Buy one idiot, get another one free. He walks out in the road, cyclist ain't looking, bang, and they both go down. Got this clip from Ed, and we got another bit of double bubble. Buy one, get one free. Look, Uber idiot stops in the cycle box, and the entitled cyclist goes straight through the red light. What more do you want? Got this clip from Graham T, and we're following this idiot who's on day release from the local funny farm, doesn't see the car, and that's what happens. That idiot's sole purpose in life is to serve as a warning to others. So I'm just going down towards South Kensington Station through my green light, and this idiot with intelligence of a computer mouse just comes straight in front of me. But you know what, I never let these get to me. They grow on you after a while, these idiots. Yeah, they grow on you like a wart. Got this clip from Edis. What happened there? We need a steward's inquiry. Is the idiot absconding from the village, jumps off the pavement, lands on the road, flips over, almost goes under the mini, spectacular landing there. Trying to teach this idiot to have a sensible thought is like trying to teach a food processor to work as a washing machine. It's not going to happen. Here I am on Marylebone Road sitting at these red traffic lights here, and then the idiot on the line bike who's obviously suffering from mental regression just dodges the pedestrians, dodges all the vehicles going across there, bit like he dodged the option of intelligence before he was born when God was handing it out. Got this clip from Ed, and let me present to you this week's Darwin Award nominee as he squeezes between the stationary bus and moving truck. If brains were black ink, this retard wouldn't have enough to put a full stop on a piece of paper. Seriously? Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end if you did. If you like what you're seeing, I put a smile on your face, please hit them little like and subscribe buttons down below because it really does help me grow the channel. Also, come and follow me on X. Just search Road Morons. You'll find the little silver smiley face. You know that's my channel, same as on this channel. I post stuff on there I can't post on here because of copyright and other issues. This lovely old Merc, what we're looking at now, my friend has his clock, this in central London. It's an old Merc, but all on C63S engine and running gear. One word, badass. Right, you lovely people, have a fantastic weekend and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.